Open Start and type Control Panel. Click on Network and Internet. Click on Network option. Open Connection tab. Click on LAN setting. Uncheck Use your proxy server for your LAN. Press OK. If that didn't work, open Start and type Control Panel. Click on Network and Internet. Click on Network and Sharing Center. Click on Change Adapter Setting. Right-click your network adapter and select Properties. Select Internet Protocol for TCP/IPv4. Click on Properties. Select Use the following DNS server address. In preferred DNS type 1111. In alternate DNS type 1001. Now close all the windows and your problem should be fixed.